people ask about my creative process. Well, it all starts with a client wanting to tell a story. They want to capture a memory, a feeling from a time and place in their life. They may want to remember a loved one or a favorite companion. They want that feeling in their hands. It really starts with a dialogue between myself and my customer. They send me pictures and write to me about their stories, their memories, and their feelings. We talk about how to capture that on clay. Once we've established what is important to them, then I begin the process of determining how I can make their vision a reality. I throw a fine porcelain clay, and that's the canvas for the work. Much like a painter's canvas, it's a cool white clay which allows for a brilliant color display. I determine the layout, establish boundaries for the subjects, and then begin to draw, many times using client-provided photos for inspiration. Now, the painting begins. I paint my illustrations using a watercolor technique. I use a full color palette and layering to capture the nuances of light and texture. I take photos of the progress and then share it with the client to ensure we're aligned to the same vision. Many times I change the composition based on their feedback. In this case, the client wanted to see if I could work in a memory that she had of a home she grew up in. It made for a nice backdrop for one of the puppies. I continue to add elements to the work to balance space and color, such as a favorite bird of a client or a flower native to that area. I hand make the glaze from my own recipe. It's a stiff satin white liner glaze that's proven reliable and beautiful. I'm careful not to glaze over the illustrations, as a covering glaze tends to make the colors garish and streaky. It's a tedious process, but worth it. It gives the piece a great look and a very unique texture. Now it's off to the kiln for the final firing. I now take photos of the completed pieces and send them to the clients to ensure they're happy with the outcome. I have developed a workshop series for people interested in learning my underglaze painting style. The links are below if you'd like to check them out. I hope you enjoyed the insight into my creative process. See you next time in the studio.